very much for coming up, Linda. Let's see, 21? All right, 21. She can legally drink. Now, Linda, I have a present for you in here. That's why I want to know if it's your birthday. But before I give you your present, I have to know, what is your favorite color? Mauve. Perfect. Pretty close. Because I've got a pink balloon. And I'm going to blow it up. And I have to know, what is your favorite animal? A giraffe. Perfect. Right, I'm going to blow this up here. Here, hold on to this. Oh. That's okay, that's okay. I come prepared, I come prepared. Linda, what's your second favorite color? Chartreuse. Perfect. Because I've got a pink balloon. And what's your second favorite animal? A gorilla. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to blow this up. Last time I forgot to tie it, that's why it flew away, so. Ow. Oh, wait, Linda, stand right here for a second. Face the audience. Hi, my name's Linda. I got really big lips. Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, a gorilla. Okay, so I gotta put this in half here. Okay, hold on to both of these. You gotta be quick. Yep, gotta be quick. That's okay. I come prepared. Linda, what's your third favorite color? Pink. Perfect. I have a pink balloon. And it's the last one. All right. And what's your third favorite animal? A dog. Perfect. So I'm going to make you a little dog, just a puppy. Just a puppy. All right. So here we go. A little pink puppy. First of all, we have to have a puppy nose, and a puppy ear, and another puppy ear. And we have a puppy head, and a puppy paw, and another puppy paw. And we have a body, and a back leg, and another back leg, and a tail. And there we have it. Linda's little pink puppy! Thank you! But wait. This isn't any ordinary little puppy. This is a trained puppy. It does tricks. Linda, tell it to sit up. Tell it to speak. Tell it to roll over. Tell it to play dead. Doggone! I'm sorry. This was your present. I'm going to put this in here like this, and let you take this home, and you can keep it always, and you can remember me by this, okay? Well, I feel so bad. Maybe I can blow it up again. I did this for the cops just the other night.